Hello everyone, welcome to the What's Up Wednesday video for Wednesday, April 3rd, 2019. Wow, I can't believe it's already April and that celebration is over. Holy cow, that was a busy 3 months for us. Hopefully everyone got to their goals, whatever that may have been in sales or recruiting. As you guys know, I did post a informational graphic on the team pages telling you what you can earn depending on how many recruits you got during celebration, as well as how much you sold during celebration. So be sure to take a look at that because you will be earning some product credits if you met those goals or fulfilled those requirements. And that means that you'll have free money to spend when the new catalog comes out. We will be able to start using those product credits on April 9th. And I do believe that might be just in time for those of us that are going to OnStage to do our product purchase premier orders. So if you are going to OnStage and you did earn some product credits during celebration, you will be able to redeem those product credits for those pre-order items. If you're not going to OnStage, don't worry. The pre-order for the brand new catalog, I believe, will be sometime in May 1st, May 2nd. I'm not sure of the exact date. But you will be able to use your product credits then on your pre-order. So this is a wonderful thing that Stampin' Up! Has offered us to, just do what we love to do, sell Stampin' Up! Products, and then earn free stuff doing it. So I hope you guys finished out celebration strong and that you all earned lots and lots of product credits. I believe the maximum amount we could earn was $260 worth. So that's amazing. All right, on to the weekly updates after celebration. Yay! Starting, let's see, Monday, April 1st, was the beginning of our new Storage by Stampin' Up! Line, and I am super excited about this. As you can see in the background, I do have that spinny around pad thing, and I love it. But I'm also excited to get some new storage as well. So I definitely ordered a couple of the pad caddies because I do have a number of the new style pads and I want to be able to store them along with my markers so I can show my customers what they look like, how they work, because I want people to be excited, and people that don't necessarily have storage already will be able to then get some storage. So I'm excited about that. I got some for my Stampin' Blends. I got, I can't remember, a couple of the solid cubes, because I really like the way Stampin' Up! Had our half wood-mounted cases put in those, and I think you could put a lot of fun embellishments in there, and I just think it's going to look super cute, and you can change out the designer series paper, so I'm super excited about that. The topper lid that goes on top of the pads, I think they said they will hold 20 of our ink refills, so that is awesome. So you can stack up, 2 sets of color families, have all the ink refills there. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless, you guys. Check it out. Get just a couple pieces so you can show your customers what they're all about. And that way you can inspire someone to maybe need to order some from you. So good luck with that for everyone. All right, moving on. The in colors. So as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but I'm going to tell you, every year Stampin' Up! Releases 5 new in colors. These colors are developed by following fashion trends in the industry. What are the hot colors now? And Stampin' Up! Does try to stay, up with that so that we can have some fresh and new exciting color palettes. And so we'll be getting 5 new in colors with our new catalog. Well, they can't keep adding 5 colors every year and just increasing our line. So every year they also take away 5 colors. This year we are taking away the 2017-2019 in colors, which happen to be these amazing colors right here: the Berry Burst, Lemon Lime Twist, Powder Pink, Trinkle Tide, and Fresh Fig. I have loved these colors, and it took me a little while to warm up to Fresh Fig, but over the past 6-8 months, I have been really using it a lot, and I love it. Trinkle Tide was a definite go-to for me during the holiday season. I loved it. Lemon Lime Twist was amazing when it first came out. I loved it so much. I'm a little bit more of a Granny Apple Green fan now, so I'm super excited that that's not going away, but I do love me some Lemon Lime Twist. Back when those colors were introduced, Stampin' Up! Published a in color bookmark, and they did do it again last year, and I'm hoping they'll do it this year too, because I find it's a great way to, you can print the bookmark off, you can print them off, I think they're like 4 or 5 on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of Whisper White paper, then you can cut them apart, you can stamp an image on there, put a little swatch of the cardstock, and give it to your customers. And I think it's a really great way for them to actually see it in real life. Everything looks better in real life. So this is something I'm hoping Stampin' Up's going to continue, and if not, then I will come up with my own and I will share it. So yeah, be on the lookout for this because I think it's a super helpful thing. Also, what I recommend you guys do right now is definitely try to let your customers know that these colors are leaving, if they need any cardstock, if they need any ink refills, if they're in love with any of the ribbons that we currently have, or those extremely cute flower buttons that are in these in colors. Those things are super flat, you guys. I'm not sure if any of you have them, but they are super flat, and they won't really add any bulk to a card that you're sending in the mail. So those are, I think, one of those things in the catalog that are very that's overlooked. So if you're looking for something to get to promote the retirement of the in colors, those little buttons are a dream. All right. So again, just let your customers know, start posting it on your social media, let people know these colors are retiring, because every single year, I swear, something sells out, whether it's a cardstock color or an ink refill color. Something sells out and people are sad, and we don't want people to be sad. So get them ordering those things now, get yourself some April sales, and happy customers. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, the Simple Stamping Challenge, I almost forgot. Hashtag Simple Stamping is any occasion you want, stamps, ink, and paper. And the twist is they want you to use one of the retiring in colors, has to be featured on your project in some way. And then do the hashtag Simple Stamping on your social media. Stampin' Up is still giving away prizes. So yay, let's get some prizes. So Simple Stamping Challenge for April. All right. They did go through quite the lengthy informational FYI about the paper pumpkin dimensionals that we've been having some issues with over the past couple of months. Yes, some of them have been defective. They're aware of the problem. Apparently, it's not a huge problem. They're hearing less than 3% of people are having issues with this. So because it's less than 3%, they are not. Well, I don't want to speak for Stampin' Up. You could read the article yourself. However, bottom line is, if you get a paper pumpkin kit and it has defective dimensionals, meaning when you peel off the paper backing and then the foam is supposed to be sticky, what's happening is the sticky is coming off with the paper backing. If you get dimensionals that are like that, call Stampin' Up. They will send you some new ones. Very simple way to rectify that. They can't fix the problem if they don't know that it's happening. So if you don't call in and say you have faulty dimensionals, they don't know that you do. So definitely call in if you have faulty dimensionals and they will replace them for you. Okay. Now, any of you that are having new recruits signing up between now and June 3rd, normally new recruits get a 8-pack of our current catalog in their starter kit, but because catalogs are running low, they don't want to run out. So new recruits will get 1 catalog in their kit, but they will also receive a coupon code via email to get a box of new catalogs. And that coupon code will come out on May 2nd. So anybody who signs up between now and June 3rd will get a coupon code May 2nd for $23 to put towards the purchase of a box of catalogs. Now, again, the coupon code is valued at $23. A new recruit can use it for whatever they want. They're recommending that you get the new catalogs, but you certainly don't have to. So just be aware of that. Any new recruits you get from now until June 3rd, that's the situation with the catalog. So just let them know about that. Okay, what else? The Succeed Weekly that goes into our emails, again, talks a little bit about the new storage by Stampin' Up, and that the Paper Pumpkin Kit in April is going to have one of our amazing distinctive stamp sets in it. So if any of you were using the Lasting Lily through Celebration or the Healing Hugs, that's one of the ones in the big catalog, that is a distinctive style of stamp. It lays down ink in different opacities just by the design of the stamp. So it's super cool, and I am so excited that we're going to be getting one in our April Paper Pumpkin Kits. So if you want the April Paper Pumpkin Kit and you're not currently a subscriber, I recommend doing that by April 10th so you can get that kit. So that's really all there was in the weekly updates this week. Let me check real quick and see if there's anything that was previously announced that I need to go over. Oh my gosh, the mailing selector. Yes! The mailing selector is open. It opened April 1st. Now, for those of you that don't know what the mailing selector is, we can have Stampin' Up! Mail the big catalogs to our customers if we want. The big Stampin' Up! Catalog. This bad boy right here, but it will be the new one. Anyway, typically in the past, they've cost $5. So that includes the catalog plus the shipping cost of the catalog. Now, personally, I do it that way because I am trying to save a little bit of money if I can. Anybody who's ordered from me in the past 6 months, I put them on my list. I have Stampin' Up! Send them a catalog, cost me $5. Then I will send out a mailer that includes all of my specials, the bookmark with the new ink colors, just anything that I have going on, letting them know that I had sent them a catalog and that if they don't get it, to contact me, and I will make sure Stampin' Up! Sends them another one. The other way you can do that is to order catalogs yourself and then mail them out to customers. Now, the only issue with that is, yes, you're paying for the catalogs, which I don't think they're that expensive. I think a box is probably $16, maybe something like that. So the catalogs themselves are just a few dollars. It's the shipping that will kill you. The U.S. Post Office has raised the rates of a priority envelope to, I think it's $7.30. That is the way you must mail a catalog. You cannot mail it media mail. It does not qualify for media mail. If you mail it media mail and they find out, you will get a hefty fine. So you must send it priority mail, which is $7.30. So then you have the cost of the catalog plus the $7.30, which of course is a great way to do it, because then you have record that somebody's received it and you know that they've gotten it. But if you're looking for a more inexpensive way to get catalogs to your customers, the mailing selector is definitely the way to go. And then if you want to send them a letter afterwards, like I said, I just put it in a long business size envelope, cost me 50 cents, plus the cost of the paper that I copied my information on. So not that much. Either way you do it, I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way. It's just the way that works for you. So if you have any questions about that, put them in the comments below. Dina, Kelly, and I are happy to answer them. And the last thing I should note about the mailing selector is you may place one order. So typically what I will do is I will wait until the end of the month, like say the 26th or 27th of April probably, and then I will start my mailing selector. I will go through all my customers, anybody who's ordered $50 from me in the past 6 months. I mark them down. I put a check mark by their name through the Stampin' Up! Website, and then I close out my order on the 30th, and then I have my catalogs mailed out. So again, you guys, if you've got any questions about any of that stuff, let us know. We're happy to answer them. Oh, one last thing. The floral grid paper that we used at On Stage. Ooh, let me just get a package. And when I get up, you can see my fabulous chair covered in silver duct tape. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Anyway, let me find that here. Okay, here it is. So you get a package of this gorgeous grid paper for $11.75. The only thing about it is not padded, meaning that the sheets are individual. So it's a little, I don't know if it's harder to store, but I thought it was padded. It's not, so just so you know, single sheets. Okay, I think that's it. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. As I said before, put your questions down below. We're happy to answer them, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.